Which of the following expressions is equivalent to x raised to the 2/3 power? If you want to try to work this one on your own, you can pause the video. Now all we want to do here is rewrite this from exponential form into radical form. So if you'll remember, if I had the square root of x, we can rewrite that as x to the 1/2 power. So the numerator comes from the actual power of the variable, and then the denominator comes from what root we are taking. So if I have just a naked radical here, that's understood to be a square root, or taking a second root of that x. So right here in this, the denominator is 3. That means I know I'm going to be taking a third root of the x. And now the numerator is to the second power, so that means it is an x squared that I'm taking the third root of. So my correct answer here would be K, the third root of x squared.